Okay, let me show you what job alerts looks like. This is one of two options to make it easier to search for employment. I'll just click on it here. And what you need to do if you're accessing it from here is put in the job title that you're looking for. And if you've already done lots of searching, then this part will be easy for you. And one thing to know is that when you start typing in a job title, so let's just say that I'm looking for some kind of teaching job. When you type that in, uh, a whole bunch of options will come up that are already in the system. And you can see that there are numbers after them, and that's because there's a number for each different uh, job category, we'll say. And so you need to pick something specific. So you need to go into this having an idea of the type of work that you're looking for. So let's just say, for example, that I choose college teacher here. And then I can put in a city, and I'll just put in Toronto, Ontario, just because I know this will get me lots of results. And now the next thing to do is to put in your email address and click subscribe. Now, because I've already signed up for an account, I'm already in the system. And so what'll happen is that when I put in my email address and then click subscribe, it will give me a message saying that I'm already in the system. And just to protect my privacy, because I don't want everyone having my personal email address, I'm going to pause this video and do that step, put in my email address and click subscribe. Then I'll come back and show you what happens next. So you can see here that your email address will show on the left, and I'm just not showing that to you. And again, I've already signed up. The next step is to put in your password and then choose sign in. And again, to protect my privacy fully, I'm going to pause and come back after I've put in my password and clicked sign in. Okay, the next part asks you to answer a security question to verify your identity. Now, I don't want you to see any of my security questions either, but you should know that when you sign up, you will provide security questions and answers. Check out my separate video on signing up for more details on this. But basically, a question pops up and you type in your answer. And now, your answer won't be shown on the screen, but it will show how many characters there are, right? Little black dots will come up. And if you want to make sure that you've typed it in correctly, you can click on display here. Okay, so you can see here now that the arrows popped up, and if you could see my question, then you would be able to read my answer. So that's what I mean by you can check to see that you're typing in the right answer. And then you will get to the job alerts screen, and you can see that the job search that I just did for a college teacher in Toronto, Ontario is being shown here. And what this is telling me is that if any other related jobs come up, meaning any other jobs that belong to the code 4021, any of those jobs come up, then that are in Toronto, Ontario, then I will get an email about that. Now, if you're tired of getting job alerts altogether, you can unsubscribe, or you could just look at all the alerts that you have and just delete any job alerts that you don't want, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just delete this. I don't really want it. Okay, and then you can see that there are 0 job alerts. And then if you want to create a new job alert, then you just go in, you just click here for job search.